Now we're going to factor difference of squares. We're going to let x equals the square root of the first term, which is 2a. And we're going to let y equal the square root of the second term, which is 3x squared b. So this expression is equivalent to, it's going to be 2a squared, which is the top, and we're going to have minus 3x squared b all squared. And when we square this out, when we distribute these exponents, indeed we have the same expression. So essentially we have x squared minus y squared, which we know how to factor. This is simply difference of squares. X times x is x squared, plus minus y and y. Now what is x and y again? We have x equals 2a, and we have y equals this business here. So let's replace this. We have x, which is 2a, plus y, which is up here. And we have x again, minus y. And now we've factored this.